Welcome back. In this video, let's try to understand one of the stock which is fundamentally good and also has given a sound breakout in the technical view as well. So let's try to discuss what was that technical breakout and what were the good fundamentals which I was talking about this stock. So the stock name is Pearl Global India Limited. The technical breakout, let's try to understand. So you could see the chart of the Pearl Global on my screen right now. If I just see like the stock has rallied from this level, so somewhere around 160 170 level till 730 level, so it was like more of a straight line. I was on weekly chart, but still you could see rarely the red candles within this rally, right? So if I just mark the percentage which was increased, it was somewhere around 300 percentage. The stock has rallied 300 percentage from 170s or 160s till 730s, and then the stock has been in the consolidation mode. So you could see the stock was there in the consolidation mode for some reasonable period of time. So after that, you could see there was a fresh breakout happened in the stock, which I'll just try to draw a trend line where you could see the breakout how it was happened, right? So this was the breakout which I was talking about. The stock has made a decent run from 170 to 300 730, and it has been in the consolidation within the zone of somewhere around 530s or 500. Let's suppose say 500 till 700. It was in good consolidation, and basically this pattern is said to be a flag breakout pattern. So you could see a flag within this technical breakout. So this was the flag which I was talking about. So the breakout candle is this breakout candle which I was talking about. So if I just jump into the daily chart, you could see how good the breakout is. Apart from that breakout, so we have some good reasons as well in terms of volume. So you could see the volumes are really high when it was breaking out, but when it was coming down, the volumes are not that great. That means these volumes are like weak hands. So weak hands are getting out of the stock because they would have entered somewhere around in the month of October or December, so whatsoever the period. So the stock was in the consolidation of sideways from October till June, till this month, and now it has given a fresh breakout. So basically whenever the flag pattern happens, the targets will be like the length of the pole. So if I just move this length of the pole, you can just see what was our estimated target. So basically if I just move this here, you could see the target is somewhere around 12,000, but in our WhatsApp group I have mentioned 1000 only, but I just want to be conservative, so that's why I have mentioned 1000, so it will be more achievable. But I could see personally like 1200 is the target for these kind of patterns. And guys, you have to remember, like, this is just an analysis, and you have to understand that there could be, anything can happen. Like, it can reach our target of 1000 or 1200, but there is an every chance that can hit our stop loss too. So you have to understand that perspection as well before making any investment. So this is a kind of probable game, so where we will look for more odds, right? So I have given a stop loss somewhere around 510, or you can just keep 500 as your stop loss for this particular stock. Let's go into the fundamental part and let's see like why I'm saying fundamentally it was good too, right? So if I just say market cap, it was decent enough. The market cap is more than 3000 crore, and if I just see the PE, it was not too high. The stock PE is decent enough if I just compare it to the industry PE as well. So industry PE, if I just see, like, it was 30 and stock PE is 18. So that means there was something left in this stock, even if you compare to the industry PE. Apart from that, if I just see what was the return on capital employed and what was the return on equity, it was also decent enough. And then again, if I just go a little deep into the stock fundamentals, like you know, yeah, profit and loss. The stock was the stock was generating profits in a consistent manner. You could see that there was an incremental profit from March 2021, somewhere around 67 to 159, on 159 to 275, 300. There was a consistent incremental in the profits, and that was a good sign. Like that is a fuel like for the technical breakout too. And if I just go to the shareholding pattern, the pattern was like promoters were holding 66.19%, though there was a decrease from 66.23 to 66.19. That was not a major decrease, but again you could see the FIs has increased their share from 5.25 to 5.45, again with the same for the DAs as well, like 0.43% to 0.49%. So basically there were so many other aspects which I have just mentioned for the stock apart from the technical perspective as well. That's the reason why I have given a buy call on this PGIN. I hope this make more sense for you, like when I just explain the technical view as well as the fundamental view, so that you can just arrive at the conclusion whether you want to invest or whether you don't want to invest. And again, just as a note, this is not a buy recommendation. I just want to mention like whatever I could see on the chart and whatever I could see in the fundamentals front. So you guys can decide whether you want to invest or whether you don't want to invest. It's purely your call, and the profit will be yours. Even if it hits stop loss, the loss will be yours. So my duty is to just bring the factors in front of you so that you can decide like why I have picked this stock. So I hope you guys got some knowledge about this PGL, and I hope that would make some sense for you to take the decision of making any investments into this stock or not. So for more and more videos, please do subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Jai Hind.